Tower, Kalitta 150.
Kalitta 150, K-Tech, cautiously turbulence, departing Embraer 190, wind 01013, runway 4 left, clear line.
Okay, I'm going to declare an emergency. I've got no gear.
Medevac Kalitta 150, roger, stay in touch.
Well, I'm going to have to go out and blow the gear down, and I want time to do the checklist. I've got plenty of fuel, so I got all time in the world on the fuel gauges. I'm going to hold the altitude now, give me a heading and someplace to go and work the problem out.
Medevac Kalitta 150, roger, go around, fly runway heading, maintain 2000.
Okay, runway heading in 2000, Kalitta 150.
Medevac Kalitta 150, did you want to run some checklists away from the airport here?
Yeah, give me time, I don't want to make a mistake.
Roger.
There's 2,000 feet, runway heading, and I'm going to keep it slowed up, just give me some time to work the problem out.
Medevac Kalitta 150, turn right heading 100, still maintain 2000.
Left to 100, or sorry, right to 100, 2000, Kalitta 150.
Medevac Kalitta 150, contact near departure now 135.9.
35.9, Kalitta 150. Approach, Kalitta 150 is back with you.
Kalitta 150, roger, heading 160, maintain 2000.
All right, 160, we're going to hold about 170 knots, and we're going to do some checklists and see what we can do to get this gear down.
Okay, no problem.
Approach, Kalitta 150.
Kalitta 150, go ahead.
All right, I messed with the switch, the gear came down, I'm not going to press it, I'm just going to leave it where it is. If you could vector me back for 4 left, I'd appreciate it.
Kalitta 150, roger. Okay, and you're ready to come in now, is what you're saying?
Yeah, we can do it right now.
Kalitta 150, heading 200 for the ILS 4 left approach.
200 for 4 left, Kalitta 150.
And the gear is down?
Yeah, the gear's down 3 green. I heard it come down this time. It didn't come down the last 2 times.
Okay. And Kalitta 150, contact final 132.4.
32 what?
132.4.
32.4, right.
Approach, Medevac Kalitta 150, 200 heading, 2,000 feet for 4 left.
Medevac Kalitta 150, New York approach, CL Summit 3017, I need you to climb and maintain 3000.
Climb maintain 3000, Medevac Kalitta 150.
And for Kalitta 150, cancel the emergency, I've got the gear down.
Medevac Kalitta 150, I'm sorry, say again?
You can cancel the emergency, I have the gear down.
Medevac Kalitta 150, roger, thank you, sir. Medevac Kalitta 150, turn right, heading 270.
270 heading, Medevac Kalitta 150.
Medevac Kalitta 150, do you see the field out there currently if you're 2 o'clock and about 8 miles?
Yes, sir, got it in sight.
Medevac Kalitta 150, would you be willing to take the visual approach on my 4 left? I can turn you on to the final approach course a little bit closer and then give you the clearance here.
Yes, give me the visual, I'll take it.
Medevac Kalitta 150, roger, you can plan the visual approach on my 4 left, maintain 3000.
Maintain 3000, visual 4 left, Medevac Kalitta 150.
Medevac Kalitta 150, turn right, heading 010, intercept 4 left, final approach course.
010 heading 4 left, Medevac Kalitta 150. Approach, Medevac Kalitta 150, are we clear for the visual?
Medevac Kalitta 150, not yet, just maintain 3000.
Maintaining 3000, Medevac Kalitta 150.
Medevac Kalitta 150, you got the field 1 o'clock in 6 miles.
Field inside Medevac Kalitta 150.
Medevac Kalitta 150, clear the visual approach on your 4 left.
Clear for the visual 4 left, Medevac Kalitta 150.
It's like a shuttle landing, you got me in so close.
Medevac Kalitta 150, contact Canadian Tower 123.9 negative.
Contact Tower 23.9 or Medevac Kalitta 150. Kennedy Tower, Medevac Kalitta 150, visual 4 left.
Medevac Kalitta 150, K Tower, wind 02012, gust 19er, runway 4 left to the land, traffic off your right side, CRJ 9, 1400 foot parallel.
4 left, clear to land, looking out for the traffic, Medevac Kalitta 150.
Low altitude alert, Medevac Kalitta 150, check your altitude immediately, Kennedy altimeter 3017.
We're fine, we're on glide flow.
3017 for Medevac Kalitta 150, we got it.
Medevac Kalitta 150, left Juliet, you're requiring any further assistance. Alright, you going to modern?
Yes, sir.
Medevac Kalitta 150, taxi straight Alpha and Quebec to the ramp, you can monitor ground.
Alpha Quebec, monitoring ground, Medevac Kalitta 150, thank you.